Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm rescuing this 20 years old laptop. As you can see, Aspire 5633 WLMI Core 2 Duo 1.66 GHz. It came with only 1 GB of RAM, but I increased that to the maximum that it can take, which is less than 4, actually 3 gigabytes. And I also replaced the storage with a SSD, and then I installed Puppy Linux, and as you can see, it works incredibly. It took me a while. I had to try a few distributions before finding this one. My goal here was to be able to use all of the available hardware, including this very nice 4-way scroller that we've got next to the touchpad, and the volume buttons, and the DVD recorder. So I already opened Firefox here. First test is YouTube, so we can play, and I'm gonna increase the volume.
How have you handled the pressure?
And it works.
I come here with my girlfriends. I come here with my colleagues.
Now I'm gonna turn it back down. Okay, so this works. And the hardware scroller also works. I can scroll up and down, and also left and right, but this page doesn't have any left-right movement. Now let's test the webcam. So we've got GIFs view. Linux names are always the most unfriendly ever, but it works. So that's good. I'm gonna close this now. And last thing, I'm gonna test the DVD. Now here I need to open it with a pin because the button doesn't work anymore. So here we are. And let's try with Pulp Fiction. It's spinning. Okay, here is our DVD. Ask me if I want to play. Yes. And there we go. Can put it in full screen. Can scroll. Perfect. Ask. And the hardware button, also play and pause, works. The stop button doesn't do anything, but I don't need that. Alt F4, like in Windows, closes. And that's it. One laptop rescued. Thank you, Puppy Linux.